So this is how the base station looks. It comes in this nice little box. Let's open it right now. So we have the base station here. Then we have the miner device. We'll be connecting it to the base station and also to the power supply and an antenna. Here is the cable which will connect the base station to the miner. You have some mounting hardware. So this basically goes up against a wall and you have a pole here to mount it. This is a screw-on pole. You screw it into this device and using these mounting points, you attach it to the wall. With the brackets, you keep it placed vertically. We've got a cable for connecting the power supply to the Hyfix miner device, and underneath that we also have an antenna. This antenna attaches to the miner and allows it to connect to your Wi-Fi router. So that's how it gets internet access, and the connections from this device are going to the miner, and as long as there's internet and there's power supply to this device and you're getting a good signal on this, it'll be mining. The signal is dependent on having good line of sight to the sky. So if you have too many trees around, for example, you might experience something called multipath due to bouncing signals, and if that does happen, then you will not get rewarded for that hour. So it's important to select a good mounting point. Personally, in my place where there are a lot of trees, about 1 or 2 hours every day is lost because of multipath interference. But if you have a nice high spot with good line of sight to the sky, then you can expect to get rewarded for all 12 hours.